You think, man, that music can come back like it was?
Well, I mean, that's definitely a great question. I just think music will constantly keep evolving, right? And as it evolves, it's sort of like when we're doing the new tour, you have fans that are singing the new Wyclef stuff that don't even know the Fuji stuff. Then you got the Fuji fans that like, what is this new stuff? So I think that the key is to call, because Bruno Mars is incredible.
Yeah.
Kendrick Lamar is incredible. Her is incredible. SZA is incredible. You have Thug is incredible. You have incredible artists. I think for me, one thing I learned about Quincy Jones is constantly keeping your hands on the pulse. So for me, if my daughter is doing a dance, I want to know what the dance is. Because most likely my wife and her is way more hip than I am in the house. You know what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Period. You know what I'm saying to you?
Hey, man, well, while you're on tour, man, you were inspired to start working with some of these students out here.
Yeah,
man. Tell us about that.
Well, the new form of curation for me is the producer takes the time out and produce discovery, real discovery, no hype. I pop up in the schools and it's through the music programs. Going across the country, I found some of the most incredible talent going.
How do you select them? What you looking for, man?
Man, I look for raw talent. So I would say one of my best memories is Destiny Child, right? And I always go back to that because I remember being in a room with Beyonce, Kelly, and everybody, and if they watching this, they already know. I was like, sing me a church song, right? Because for me, I feel that when you have raw talent, then you could be here 20, 30, 40 years from now. So that's what I look for.
Yeah. Your new album, it features a lot of students, man, that you've met. Why was it important for you to include these
Well,
guys?
the thing was, I was like, starting 2019, we're going to start these series of Wyclef Goes Back to School. The first one will be in America. We're going to do Wyclef Goes Back to School, Africa, Brazil, because a teacher saved my life in high school. She helped me become who I became. When this teacher saw me playing piano, she was like, you're going to learn how to read sheet music. And I was like, I don't want to learn how to read no sheet music. She was like, well, you're going to regret this later. I was like, what do you mean? She was like, one day you're going to be a star and you're going to be paying somebody $50,000 to write your sheet music. So the minute she said that, I done picked up the pencil. Yo.
50,000.
Yo, man, look, Steve, I picked up that pencil. I was like, every good boy does fine.
Hey, man, some of the students you've discovered, they're here with us today. Yeah. Hey, listen, everybody, please say hello to Jeremy Torres and Jazzy Armour. Hey, let me ask you, two of you, what's it like to work with Clef?
It's an absolute honor to be able to wake up every single day knowing that I can go into a specific environment that I've longed for. It's just been every day observing the legend do what he does, and it's incredible.
Yeah. Just working with an icon that you've looked up to all your life is like reassurance that I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be, and learning from him every single day. I'm on the right track, and I'm gonna have longevity in my career because the legend, he knows what he's doing.
Yeah. That's real. That's real. Hey, folks, listen to this. When we come back, Wyclef is going to perform with Jeremy and Jazzy. You don't want to miss it right after this.